here I am, how do you do? Here I am,
How do
how do you do? Back to my YouTube channel, it's Caris, and I am back with another travel vlog, Jamaica travel vlog, that's it is. So if you're ready, let go. While I tell you about my stay here at Iberostar, I'll be styling my hair. Alright. Oh, it's night time, but let's do a room tour. So this is what the room looks like. You got your closet and safe on the left, as well as your little counter and a mini fridge. Let's see what's in the fridge. Okay, yeah, so no water, because apparently you have to take this outside and get filtered water. Pretty cool, right? So it says pure, crisp and clean taste, 5-stage purification process, quality that is environmentally responsible. Refill stations are located near your room and at the bars and restaurant. Yep. And there's a barcode that you can scan. All right, so let's move on to the bathroom. Comes with a tub. Nice. You got all your towels right there. And you have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Then we have his and her sink, mirror, hey. And then you got your makeup mirror right there. And you have 2 face towels. And then you got your, yeah, do the business. And, ooh, I think this is a rain shower. And you have shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Yes, sir. Okay, let's see what's here. I think this is robe, iron board, the works. Okay, yeah, there we go. And then this is a mirror. Ooh, don't mind me, I'm just coming from the pool. And here we have the bedroom. The orange and red and cream has a nice little vibe to it, don't you think? Yeah, it's alright. And then they have a bin right there, and you have 2 let's see, okay, so it's just like shelves to put stuff. Got your Samsung TV. And this is a step, so you gotta step down. That's a I think this is a pull-out bed. And you got your little workstation, another mirror. And then we have outside, which we have a little view right here. I think I'll take you guys outside in the morning. Cool. Is room service is 24 hours, and because they don't want you having the paper menu, you have to download the app, scan the barcode to get the room service menu, and order from the app or via the phone. So yeah, I found that really cool. It says water this way, so let's go. Sanitize. They say this is already sanitized. Ooh. cool. Pretty cool. All right. Nice. Pretty stylish. So I could have taken my gallon bottle of water. And it's cold. So the hotel only has 2 swimming pools, and these swimming pools are not even as big as the swimming pools at Grand Palladium. Yeah, they were all open, so there were no issues with that. However, the swim-up bar, it doesn't seem as if that was functional. Don't know why, but yeah. So 2 swimming pools, 1 lazy river, and the lazy river is similar to the one at Hilton Rosal. You can check that video out. So it's just with the tube, you sit in it, and it moves with the water. So 2 swimming pools, a lazy river, and there's a little jacuzzi, but it doesn't seem as if that one was functional. However, they do have a slide for the kids, and I'm talking about 8 and under, not teenagers. So that was really fun for my son. I don't know about anybody else, but that was kind of sort of disappointing for me. Friday night's entertainment. Let's not even go there. That couldn't stay, friend. Hello, Cynthia. Friday night's entertainment. You tell them what you want to hear, and they sing it. Talk to me in the comments down below. I understand it is social distancing and rambling and say, but they could have done something else, right? Like a virtual entertainment. I don't know. But as you can see, the crowd wasn't really there either, because I don't know why, but I wasn't there because I found it lame. Let's get into the food though. Even though it's 2 restaurants and I've only been to the buffets don't really offer that much variety, and the stations are limited, so there really isn't much to choose from. And the only kid-friendly food that they have is pizza. I had to ask the chef to do some nuggets for me, like legit. So you have the 2 buffets, and then on the beach you have like a food truck that serves burgers, fries, and fruits, I believe. So food was limited in my opinion, and you can see from the video that it is not much options. But I had some oxtail last night and it was tasting real good. I enjoyed the oxtail. But I can't saltfish this morning. Salty. What me say? Man, spoil my saltfish and aki man. Jesus. Just coming back from dinner. And you know what? The restaurant was so full. The buffet was so full. Tonight is Saturday night, and I guess they're overbooked for the weekend, but They had oxtail on the line and I couldn't even get any due to how full the restaurant was. I don't know if they forgot or something of the sort, but the restaurant was so packed that we did not get any drinks until we were done eating dinner and ready to leave the restaurant. That's how serious it was. And my aunt couldn't make it to dinner, so we had to pack her a plate and ask them to deliver it to the room. We don't eat, belch everything, walk around, come back upstairs now, still don't get delivered. Like, there's no social distancing in the restaurant just now. And they have so many restaurants here. So I don't know why it's only one buffet. It should be two, especially on the weekends. Come on, Iberostar. You can do better. We pretty much missed entertainment. I don't know if entertainment was empty why they closed it off that early, but it's a little bit after 10 now. Restaurant closes at 9:30, and I'm guessing entertainment closes 9:30 too. And I don't get why entertainment ends 9:30. Like, curfew, the hotel have curfew. And I mean, I guess it's because the workers need to get home before curfew, but I mean, you can't put them up, because come on man, there's not much to do. So for entertainment tonight, I think the band was playing on the beach and that was it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this hotel and I'll be sure to answer.